Python Programming Language, RegEx, a comprehensive guide to Python's RegEx syntax and functions. Regular expressions in Python have a specific syntax that defines patterns for matching text. Understanding these patterns is crucial for identifying and manipulating text data effectively. Python provides several functions for pattern matching. Each function serves a different purpose, from checking patterns at the start of a string to finding all occurrences and iterating over them. Special characters and sequences in Python RegEx enhance pattern precision. Meta-characters define specific search criteria, while escape sequences allow matching of special characters. Groups in regular expressions allow for the organization and capturing of specific parts of a match. This is useful for extracting and processing segments of matched text. Regular expressions can modify strings using sub for replacements and split for dividing strings. These functions leverage pattern matching to transform text data efficiently. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.